In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful, and Muhammad, peace be upon him, is the last prophet of Almighty Allah. Parts of Speech Series Lecture 3.3. Today our topic is noun phrase. Noun phrase. What is a phrase? Phrase means a group of words that gives us a sense but not a complete sense. Gives us meaning but not complete meanings. A phrase has not its own subject, verb, and predicate, three things. Specifically verb. In a phrase it doesn't having any verb. Suppose over there. What is over there? So over there is a phrase. Under the table. What is under the table? It gives us a sense but not a complete sense. So under the table is a phrase. Here are some words that have been assembled to each other to make some phrases, and these are the noun phrases. A noun phrase is a phrase that qualifies a noun. A noun phrase is made by adding some quantifier, qualifier, modifiers at the beginning of a noun or at the end of a noun. Suppose here the little is added with the main noun boy. So the little boy is a phrase. Here on the corner is added with the main noun, that is the building. So the building on the corner is a noun phrase. The function and place of a noun phrase in a sentence, how it works in a sentence, where we can find a phrase in a sentence. So first of all, we can find it can work as a subject of a verb. Here is an example. The beautiful lady smiled. The verb is smiled and its subject is the beautiful lady. So this one, the beautiful lady, is a noun phrase. As an object, here object of the verb. A noun phrase acts as an object of a verb. Here the verb is want and its object is a cute baby. A cute baby is acting as an object of the main verb, that is want. The next one, as a prepositional object, mean object of a preposition. Here the toy is on the wooden table. The preposition over here is on and its object is the wooden table. So the wooden table is a noun phrase that acts as a prepositional object. The next one is as an oppositive. Oppositive means when we explain, give detail, explanation in the shape of phrases of one noun in one class. Once again listen. Within a class, if a noun is explained at least 2 times with different things, then that is called an oppositive. Suppose here is the living room, the biggest room in the house. It means both are same things, living room, and we are going to explain the same thing, room, with one more phrase, the biggest room in the house, looks out onto a beautiful garden. So this one is the noun phrase oppositive. We put comma if we think that if we eliminate the noun phrase from it, then the meaning of the sentence will same. Then we are putting comma. If we think that the meaning of the sentence will change, then we shall not put the comma by using the noun phrase as an oppositive. Our next topic is noun clause. Clause is a group of words that gives us a complete sense having its own subject predicate, means subject, verb, and then some object, and sometimes only subject and verb. And here it has been used by the help of some subordinating conjunctions. Suppose, that, what, otherwise. But they all are supplementary. We can use them and we can't use them. Suppose here is a difference between a noun phrase and noun clause, so that we can easily understand what is a noun phrase and what is a noun clause. In first sentence, we hope to win the race. This one is noun phrase. The next one, we hope that we shall win the race. This one is noun clause. That is supplementary. We can use it. It is optional, you may say. We can write and say in this way, specifically in spoken. We hope we shall win the race. It is also correct. But in written, we almost use that or some other subordinating conjunctions. So, we is the subject and then shall win the race, verb and object. Here, what is the function of a phrase? What is the place of a phrase in a sentence? As a subject. The noun clause as a subject. So here we are discussing again that what is the function of a noun clause. Please make a correction over here. I am going to repeat this one. Function of a noun clause in a sentence, or place of a noun clause in a sentence. As a subject, suppose here is a word, we also start with the same words, you may say the subordinating conjunctions. Whatever you want with me is fine. So this one is the noun clause and it is the subject of this verb is. The noun clause can act as an object of a verb. In the next sentence, the child admitted that he stole the toy. Here, the verb is admitted and its object is that he stole the toy. So this one is acting as an object noun clause. In the next, as an object of proposition. So I shall use the book for. For is the proposition and its object is what I want. What I want is a noun clause. So it is the object of the preposition for. The next one, as an appositive. The use of same noun phrase as well as noun clause is also having the same thing over here, and we are using just like we are going to explain something more about a noun or a pronoun, then that will be the appositive condition. Suppose the problem. Now we are going to elaborate the problem in some more words. That you didn't pick up the packages. That you didn't pick up the packages is an noun clause as an opposition, and then the next part of sentence will be written or delays the entire production.